Ladies and gentlemen, introducing contestant number 2 in the Puletasi appearance, I give you Vayomatale Matu, Maddy Unutoa.
Maddy's Puletasi was created by Maddy with her father's help, the Reverend Samuel Unutoa, who is also her personal tailor and craftsman. Her outfit is simple yet elegant and functional, ready for her to serve in any occasions. The light, off-white color of her Puletasi is in keeping with the natural color of the original Samoan color, the Samoan clothing too as well. Her outfit is decorated with the afa and coconut shells of the Popo Uli's dark color, and the Popo Sami's lights colored shells. Like the siapo, the bottom of her lava lava is decorated with Samoan mamanu and modern art depicting a picture story of how the siapo is made with the traditional Samoan women's way of life in making clothes. Her full-size purse that you see in her right hand, the real Samoan ladies' dinner purse, popularly known today as the Ainga basket, was handsome to match her outfit tonight. Her purse and her hairpiece, or say, serves double duty as you see here. Her majestic cathedral-length shoulder wrap presents the colors of our flag and the elements of our culture. As you see, her purse has transformed into the kava bowl. And there you have seen the say that is in her hair that was masterfully, craftily designed by her and her father, which is the fau. And the ipupopo comes out and holding it too for the kava ceremony. She showcases here for your pleasure here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, how her outfit wears, and also for a traditional Samoan ceremony. She showcases here as a tulafala's customary function and the welcoming voice at any traditional ceremony. Her Puletasi and its various transitions embrace centuries of our history while inspiring readiness to service as your cultural ambassador going forward. As you see here, the transformation continues with her Puletasi. With the back piece transforming as she continues on to surprise you with this. The toto'o, ladies and gentlemen, that has been well hidden in her Puletasi. How about a nice round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Maddy.
Wonderful demonstration. You look absolutely fabulous tonight. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you look more than what you just said.
Why, thank you. Please reach into the difficult basket and choose a question. Working together is good, yeah? Okay, my love, your question is, women today are becoming more vocal about sensitive issues such as sexual violence and abuse. What advice would you give to victims who find it difficult to speak out? O tina po ta maitai I nei ona po. Ua le mama e talanoaina nisi o mata upu. Sa masani ona le mawhai o na talanoaina. E pei o feusua inga se tulo wha le tatau. O le a sau fautuanga I nisi o ta maitai Po o tina e leo mawhai o na talanoina I nei whaafitauli.
Thank you for the question. Whaftaima whafsili. Ilinea fiafi to paia to malu. Tracy, mo mua lavona fa fitaia te te mo whafsili o oe whola fascinoina ila o tati. Familia to Tracy, ai foi esse outro. O lá viver nem matar o que. Yeah, I say foi tu sala, mas lo nem tanga ta fatauva. Eu ia lavar na olaititi. I miss lava o tau sanga. Asa ole tala, o numera, ole umi, o laititi, pol pupu, ai maini. O lo tali mole nei whawhisili, po so whatuanga foi e watu yo uso, tina, e me se foi e o lo awhia ne mata upu. Onga tele. Whamole mole, o mea ia, sa whaia ta tua, pesa ta ua ta tua, o me sa. Esa, ona o lea, feu sua inga, e ui lava o tele yo o iai. O feu sua inga whaulunga li'i, whamulmole. O le tau tala tu ye, e mes foi tina la iti. O le anga e tuale i tameti la iti, peo a unei. Whamulmole o te le fieo o iai. O te fieo. O te fianga e iluma. Mo se lumana e manuia. A mes foi o ne ting naolo a fia le nei whawhita uli. O me sa, o te whai atu o me sa. Thank you for the question. For the young ladies, especially elders, who are in this issue or who are involved in this issue, I apologize, Tracy. I advise you that us young people are very, very much influential. We take partial in what our parents, our elders, especially what our peers do, and also what they step into. These kind of issues should never be said in public, as we say, PDA free. So I stand before you, my good audience, especially honorable guests. Please, these are elders. These were said by our elders to be kept sacred and also to be kept in our own private lives. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Vaiomata Matu, Maddy Unutoa. Thank you, Maddy, for that wonderful answer.
You're telling me.
Salitonu awane e o ayala. Ai kofo ya se kain.